Hey everybody, so today I'm going to do an unboxing review on this paper quilling kit. This is the Yurroad Paper Quilling Kit. It was $39.99. I got this on Amazon. I will put the link below. However, you can check it out. There are tons of kits on Amazon from any price point, starting at like $16. This one was $40. There might have been a couple little bit more than that. They have different things, but I'll show you what's in this box. And let me tell you, I've already looked through. I haven't opened anything. I've never done paper quilling before. I just wanted to try it. I saw, you see the pretty cards, and I thought, let me try this. I'm off for the summer because I teach, so I'm looking for some, different things to try this summer. So here we go. So first off, there are some of these gemstone dots. Here are some pins. Again, these were kind of. I opened the kit when I got it just to see what was in it. I was so excited. It was so much bigger than I thought. When I saw it on Amazon, I really thought like the case was smaller. I did not think it was going to be this big and that there would be so much stuff. But anyways, they were kind of falling out, so I put these in a Ziploc. This is, I guess these would be like to make flower stems. Here you have some quilling tools in all different sizes. And one of the reasons I did buy this kit, and I noticed different price points, is this has an electric quilling tool. Now I did open this and put the batteries in. It did not come with the batteries. It kind of almost fell apart. Be careful when you open it, but just so you can see, you kind of take this off. I don't want to break it. You take this, you turn this, and then you kind of pop this open and the batteries go inside. I don't want to mess with it again, but it tells you on here like open, twist. It'll tell you open here, you pull this apart, and then you put the AAA batteries inside. But I don't think it's constructed that great, but it works. So we'll try this out, definitely for sure. This is a quilling comb. I know these come in different sizes. This is a pretty big one. I'm not sure what these lines and ridges are over here. No idea, but check that out too. And I'm gonna do a video once I learn, because I've never done paper quilling. I've never done anything. So once I learn how to use all these tools, I think it might be a good idea to do a video showing how to do it. Maybe we'll go over some of them today, like the tool, like some of the stuff. This is a pegboard. Now I'm not sure, again, please, if you know how to paper quill, don't make fun of me or laugh at me for not knowing how to do any of these things. But let's see, I can hear stuff in here. I'm assuming the pins yeah, they're in here. That's kind of neat. They're slide in here. I guess you can do different shapes and stuff and outlines. All right, this is the crimping tool. It looks like it has two different sizes to do two different crimping. We'll pull this out, we'll play with this. This is a curling coach. I think you stick a pin in here and then you can wrap bigger to make bigger. I'm not sure what you need all these templates for. Scissors and these cones. Again, I didn't realize these were so big. When you look on Amazon in the picture, they look so much smaller. All this stuff is way bigger. I did not realize these are so big. I think these are to make, coils dimensional. We'll see. We'll figure it out. You get a precision tip glue bottle. And I don't know what this is, maybe to put glue in? I'm not sure. I've seen people using the bottles to glue. I've seen people using toothpicks, so maybe, I don't know. All right, here's where like the paper is. Now it comes with 3, 5, and 10 millimeter paper. Just alone, when I decided to try this, I went to Joann's and they had 2 basil paper packs, like probably this size, and they were like $7 a piece. I think Hobby Lobby, I went online, they had them for $3 a piece. But let's see how many you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you get, these are shorter, 5, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 paper packs. So even if you got them at $3 a pack, which I doubt you're gonna get them much cheaper, that's $45. So for a $40 kit and you got $45 worth of paper, I mean, your money's right there. If you were to buy this, if you were to piece this out and buy these things one at a time, definitely would cost you way more than the $45. Now let's see, this paper looks like the 5 millimeter. These all look the same. I think these are all 5mm. The difference is you get 2 of each one. This is shorter. See, this one's obviously longer paper, shorter paper. So you get 2 of each color, shorter and longer. Then you have these rainbow packs. This one's super thin. So this would be the 3mm. This is wide, so the 10mm, and this is the 5mm. I'm assuming since these all look like the 5, that the 5 is just the standard kind of paper, and that sometimes you use different sizes. So you get those. Now you have this mold in different sizes, and I know this is like to add dimension, so if you have your coil, then you can put it on top. We'll try these all out. Here is another template. This one has kind of a spongy background, so, and it's got some pinholes here. They come in different sizes, so I know you can put your things in here. Maybe you can put pins in here. I think I heard somebody talk about putting pins in these. I'm not sure. Here's another template of all different size circles. So you get that. Now here is this. Let's see what's in here. So here you're getting some tags. Looks like a couple cards. This says coordinates for setting for quilling only. No idea. So it's kind of like this thick acetate type. Not sure what that's for. You get yellow cardstock, and there is a green kind of textured paper. Okay. And then we have, let's see. Here are some templates. Alright, so it tells you the different shapes. It is written in Chinese, but it shows you what it would look like, so you can use these. They're pretty thick, very thick cardstock, just so you can kind of see what they're supposed to look like. And there's a nice happy birthday one. And they're perforated, so when you're done you can take this piece off, and then I guess you could frame this. There's a bunny, a fish, an umbrella. And I've seen kits like where you can make a design on Amazon, and they're pricey. And oh, the birds are really pretty, very pretty. Okay, so yeah, you get these templates in there. So you get a tweezers, which I've seen, again, I watched some videos of people doing quilling, and the tweezers are used a lot. Some of the kits come with glue. The thing about this kit that I feel like they come with a lot. I mean, you might get different patterns. There are different patterns. You can go through and see which ones you like, but generally most of them come with some sort of patterns. They come with a lot of the same things, and they're relatively, you know, anywhere from $20 or $16 up. I think one of the reasons that this came, the electric quiller came, that was kind of, not all the kits had that, but let's just try and see. Let's try out a couple of these items quickly, see how they work. Let's just grab a piece of paper. Okay, it's pretty quick, and then we can put it into one of, let's see, let's take this out. And then I guess you can put it, let's see, and then you would glue it, and then I guess if you wanted to change it, I know you could do like a teardrop. And you could put it in something like that, and I guess, oh, I don't know, and then you could use your tweezers to kind of fix that all around. Let's try the crimper. You can see. Okay, so that was the wider one. So there's two different sizes on that, and then So yeah, I think I'll definitely in another video I will play with all of these tonight. In the next couple days I'm going to play with all of these, maybe learn what everything does, see if I can learn how to make some shapes, maybe a design, and I will do another video with the tools. So overall I'm very happy with this kit and the money I spent. I think I definitely got $40 worth of stuff in here, if not way more, because like I said, at $3 a pack of paper for 15 packs, that's $45. This box right here, if I bought this at like a Michael's, it'd be $10. At Michael's it'd be even more. So right there, I mean, that's well worth the money, not including all the accessories and templates and stuff that you get inside here. So I'm happy with this. I'll put the link for this. I bought this on Amazon. I'll put the link below. However, you know, you might even want a different price point if you want to start off smaller. If you're trying it out, they have them as little as $16.99, so you can check them out. There's all different. There's tons of kits. A lot of them are similar. They might come with different things, but yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.